this video, I will show you how to change the language of Photoshop. Now, sadly, Photoshop does not make it easy for us, but there is still an easy way to fix this. First, you'll need to go to the Photoshop settings. So go to the settings and then go to interface. And here you can see the interface language. As you can see right now, that is in Dutch. And when I tap on that, I cannot select any other languages than Dutch. So what I need to do right now is I need to close this settings, close these, and then just quit Photoshop. So completely quit it, and as you can see now it is completely quit. Now what I need to do is I need to go to Photoshop and I need to go to the file location. So I need to open it in my Finder, as you can see. So here you can see the Photoshop app, and then I need to go to Locales, this one, and here you can select this folder, support files, and here you can see a few things. So you see this one, the TW1, etc. And the only thing you need to do is basically rename this. So just press enter on this, and then instead of DAT, rename it to BAK. Just like this, press enter, and then you need to basically fill in your password. Okay, and now you can close this, and now you can reopen Photoshop again. And as you can see, it is in English right now. So this is a great way of changing the Photoshop language. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.